In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Klaviyo account ID. This ID is also known as your public API key or your site ID, and it's something you'll often need when you're connecting Klaviyo to other tools, apps, or your website. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find it in the current Klaviyo interface and how to copy it safely. First, go ahead and log in to your Klaviyo dashboard. Open your browser, head over to Klaviyo's login page, and sign in with your usual account credentials. You'll land on the main dashboard, which is where you normally see your lists, campaigns, and analytics. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. There, you should see either your organization name or a profile icon. This is essentially your account or workspace menu. Click on that organization name or icon to open the menu. When that menu pops up, you'll see several options related to your account. From this list, click on Settings. This is where Klaviyo keeps all of your account-level configuration options, including billing, users, and of course, your API details. After you're in the Settings area, look for the section labeled API Keys. Depending on the version of the interface you're using, this might appear as a tab in the sidebar on the left or across the top as part of the navigation. Either way, click on API Keys to open that page. On the API Keys page, you'll see a section that includes your public API key, sometimes labeled as Site ID. This is the value you're looking for. It's typically a short, 6-character code. Take a moment to confirm that you're looking at the public key, not any private or secret keys, since the public one is the one used for most integrations and tracking scripts. Once you've located that 6-character code under public API key or site ID, go ahead and copy it. You can usually do this by clicking directly on the value or by selecting it and using your usual copy shortcut. From here, you can paste that ID into your integration settings, your website, or wherever your tool requires your Klaviyo account ID. That's all you need to do. Log into your dashboard, open your account settings, navigate to API keys, and copy the public site ID. Now you'll be ready to connect Klaviyo with the rest of your marketing stack quickly and confidently.